There's my song. Drop of rain on my father's window pane. I can see the pain on my face and the puddles made from the rain. The sidewalk where it sits, I walk down it every day. Not to walk to work to pay my rent. Oh no, ain't got no bills to pay. What you see is what you get. That's what I always used to say. There's some things I can't forget. Oh no, I have no plans to ever change. There's some things I can't forget. I splashed the puddle, now they're gone. I can't get on my own face. I can't get out of this home place. I tried 1,000 times to leave. Find the place is just the same. I got so damn worried about who's winning. I don't see that I'm alone playing this game.
Snow is falling from the sky. It's trapped us in this empty house. I try to find my way out. Oh, the harder I try, the further I fall down. It's got me begging on my knees. Lord, have some mercy on me. My nose is running with regret. All for us to the head. Never really like the snow. Well, I prefer it down in rain. Shining lights up a fire, hanging to the sea. Nothing but smoke for days.
Doctor, please sign me out. It's time for me to see what the world's about. I've learned all that I can